How to make video collage on InShot app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the InShot application on your device over here, and as you launch the InShot application, you'll be able to land on the main page. Now simply tap on the collage option over here, and as you tap on the collage option, you'll be able to see that there are four different styles: grid, light, freestyle, AI, plain, and stitch. I'm going to select on freestyle for now, and as you can see, you can only make a collage of photos or pictures. We do not have the option for videos, so we can go back and select on video and then tap new and simply select a particular video. But when we select on a particular video, what happens over here is you'll not be able to create any sort of custom size, or you cannot make a collage. You can only add certain amount of videos over here, but you'll not be able to make a collage over here. So that feature is not available. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.